What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my video. What are you doing? Yo, what's good, gang? We outside.
You are a good guy.
Yo, what's good, gang? So as you can see, guys, here we're watching gold right now. We're watching gold, as you can see. So guys, look what gold's been doing. As you can see, guys, gold has been going up so much. So now look at the time. It's NFP time. As you can see here, only 7 minutes left. All right, as you can see, only 7 minutes left in order for us to trade NFP. All right, so as we speak, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready, guys. And as you can see, guys, I already done my analysis. As you can see that gold has been moving on support from here. It's been moving with the zone right here, broke the zone, came back to the zone, and right here broke the zone and came back to the zone. And after came back to the zone, you can see that I got continuation, but we're still waiting for the pullback in order for us to bounce. So what I'm thinking about right now, I think, guys, remember, guys, yesterday, you see, right now we have 6 minutes left. So yesterday gold dropped almost 1,000 pips. So right now as we speak, I'm waiting for the gold to come at this point right there. If you're in a free Telegram group, I already on everybody that we're gonna trade gold as soon as bounce here, because the move that we're gonna have at this point, guys, is gonna be crazy. All right, and you can see that it's about to push a row to this point. So guess how I'm going to trade this NFP for today, guys? I'm not gonna enter even if NFP is gonna pop. I'm not entering, but I'll wait for the market to bounce at this point right there. If NFP is gonna push the market to this area right there, this is why I'm gonna buy the I'm gonna buy gold so hard. Shit, my screen is dead. I don't know what's happening. All right, I'm gonna buy gold at this point right there. All right, just guys, listen, make sure you watch the full video. This is gonna be mind-blowing. But the thing that I'm gonna do is that, because I want all these pips, guys, let me show you. I don't want to miss all these pips. Guess how much pips is it from here, right, all the way to this point right there? This is 1,000 pips, guys. Look, 1,080, almost 1,100 pips. 1,100 pips. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I just gonna enter with a smaller size so that I can be able to swing gold all the way to over here. I want to swing all these pips. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do it. Film. I just gonna make sure I keep my 100% my 100% risk. I only gonna risk 1% of my account. That's it. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait, man. Let's be watching the market, how it moves. Look, you can see, guys, the market is pushing it's pushing down, right? And guys, as we speak right now, I have these orders right there. I already pressed the orders right here. So if gold is gonna push at this point, bro, it's gonna activate me, man, with my orders. That's how I'm gonna make money today. Today I wanna trade NFP in a very different way. You feel me? Yes, sir. And as you can see, this is my target right there. This is what I'm expecting the market to move at, so that I can buy gold. You feel me? Yes, sir. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen.
It's shitting on the person that you want in this situation more. When the nigga just
That's what that's in the bag.
no.
It's not about the bag. Like if a nigga cheats, it's like I just wanted to put like somewhere. But if it's like damn, like why this nigga, bro? Like am I not enough, bro?
Well, she cheats. I'm not like a competition. I know. I just want to say. I'm like, checking my bag. You know, once I got back, she gonna come back on me. I wanted to switch.
It's not about her coming back though. It's about like, think about it this way. Look behind them. Nothing wrong. Then she's like, someone like.
That's one thing I can.
She assumes.
That's one thing I will never tell you.
Yes, you are not He's gonna say I'm not crucial. Yeah, that's someone that you know. Someone that you it's not just a random nigga. It's not just like some guy like you know.
So it's a motherfucker you know.
Yeah, that's good. I'm not saying names, but I'm saying in general, like it's like yo. Every time it's like yo. Are you on it?
One thing about them, though, like they want to be best. They want to be better. When you cheat, you lie, they go crazy.
Yeah.
But when
I'm
they
not
cheat, they just wanna. They just want you to act like see guys doing anything just
yeah. I see you splitting now. I'm not even. You talk about the shit, like real shit. But I'm saying like they want you to act like nothing happened. But it's them. It's like
it's just fashion shoes.
It'll be that nigga will say like, yo, I'm friends. You cool with that nigga, like you guys are so fire, like. But then she'll be like, yeah, but like that nigga was never talking to you first. Then yeah, like now me and him are together. I see it.
Yo, what's good, gang? We outside, you know what I'm saying? We just trying to waste some time, you know what I'm saying? You already know. So which one do you want to go to?
I wanted to go to the one that is the vibe.
You see my police?
I don't care about my police. I'm also a police.
They're gonna arrest you.
I'm also a police at this time. But this time, I'm also a police. If you're a lawyer, I'm also a lawyer.
Let's go to the show. We just wanna get some water. What are we gonna get? I'm gonna get you alcohol there.
I want alcohol.
I'll get you alcohol. Hey, you know what?
Yeah, but
You know today I didn't have this. Which one is good? This one. Which one? Which one? This one. Do you need anything from here?
I want alcohol.
Alcohol. She only wanna drink. Oh my god. Oh, alcohol is gonna kill.
It's fine. I want to die.
You need to stop the alcohol.
I wanna die.
You need to study.
I want to die. It's fine.
Yo, gang, we're outside, you know what I'm saying? Today, it's Tuesday, you know what I'm saying? It's someone's birthday, you know what I'm saying? So, we've been locking in for a very long time. So, anyways, we had to go outside, you know, have shit. So, right now, we're outside, you know. Yeah, let's get some water. Don't drink and drive, because I'll be driving tonight, so I don't want to drink no alcohol, and I don't even drink the alcohol. I don't touch the alcohol. Just this for my health, you know. Let's go. My bro, I was on the video, bro. That, you wanna be on the video because I was on the video.
That is good. You know why?
Hey.
You the NTP, the poor. You are a good guy. On the video, you must say.
What do you mean I'm a good
don't
guy?
talk, make up things that happen in Cape Town. That you look up to that poor people. And you feed them. Yeah. Wow. Good.
It's good, yeah?
You struggle on the street, you sleep outside.
Yeah.
You come.
What do you have in there?
Right?
What do you have in there? I see you got
Lots-
bread, bro.
There's a bread, my bro. Only
You got bread, yeah?
Yeah.
And bananas.
Bananas.
Don't you wanna share with me?
Right?
Don't you wanna share with me?
Yeah.
Yo, my bro. I see you, yeah?
Yeah, my bro.
Are you gonna be here tomorrow?
Maybe
I'm just staying just for the next street. I can come here and see you tomorrow.
Yes, what's your name?
Huh?
Your name?
Sniper.
Sniper and you shoot.
Yeah, I see you.
Yes.
Sniper, tomorrow I'm coming here to see you.
Sniper, tomorrow you are there. Wow.
Where will you be at? Like maybe around 12 o'clock.
Well, which way?
Huh? Yeah, yeah. You see Mandela Hotel?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get to there.